Welcome back. Well, let's now cut across to Manisha Gupta in conversation with Shashie Kumar, the President and Retail Director of Phoenix Mills.
Well, thank you for that. I'm standing in front of a 48-feet majestic kandil behind me, and that tells you it's festival season. Joining me, as you said, is Mr. Shashie Kumar. He's President and Retail Director at the Phoenix Mills. Shashie, hi, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
And a huge installation all across Phoenix Mills. How has the festival season been for you?
It's been great to start with. I think there's a lot of euphemism around this place. Of course, just a small correction, it's not 48, it's 52 feet. A grand lantern, the India lantern, which we say. It's just coinciding with our 15th year anniversary, which is also very special for us. And it being the 15th year anniversary, we want to be more touch upon our tradition and our culture. So that's the decor theme this time. And so when we take this opportunity to wish our customers, shoppers, a happy Diwali and festivity season.
Thank you, Shashie, for that. How was the last quarter, and is this quarter an improvement upon that?
The last quarter across India has been a little sluggish. So we have seen sluggish in some portion of our shopping categories. But there are certain categories which have grown, which we have seen, like for example, jewelry, we have seen a growth comparatively from last quarter to this year quarter. But overall, yes, and there are reasons for that, because in a mall environment, Multiplex plays an important role. Multiplex has a rub-off on the F&B cluster, and in this center particularly, we have a very strong F&B offering. So this time, because of not much of good releases, bumper releases, so we were a little deprived of that factor. Across India, that's the same story.
So, as you said, luxury is done better than the normal lower price tickets, is what you're saying. Jewelry comes into a higher luxury. Would you say watches have done well, or other big brands have done well?
See, as a category, luxury has been a little sluggish, because we have, in the last 1 year we have seen some competitions coming up, particularly in South Mumbai. But otherwise, it's very encouraging though. There are certain brands in luxury, bridge to luxury, which have grown, which have been outlier, and certain categories specifically, few of them are not doing well as in compared to what was last year.
So when you look at Phoenix Mills, what would you say has been the best markets within India? Would you say Delhi, Bombay, the metros do well? How are you looking at the tier 2, tier 3 cities as well?
See, tier 2, tier 3 is definitely very encouraging for us, because that's the next consumption story for India across. And Phoenix, rightfully so, we are focusing there in terms of our developments, in terms of our, even from an operations centers, we are giving more emphasis towards the finer element of the customer experience and the efficiency and churn leasing and aspect of where we can leverage the larger growth story. But to answer your question, yes, Bombay, being Mumbai being the commercial center of India, and we being in the South Bombay, we to large extent we are like a check dam. So we are benefited by the location.
So Delhi 1, Bombay 2, what is the third biggest market for you?
Bangalore. Bangalore is the biggest market, even as good as even Chandigarh for that matter.
Are you looking to extend lease here? How have the rentals been for you for this place also?
See, fortunately, our rentals has been very strong. Kudos to our leasing and leasing strategies and leasing approaches, which Phoenix is known for that, and that has defined our centers. And it is leasing which defines the product also. So we've been exceptionally good in that, and we have achieved. And so we have seen the targets what we have said, we are largely achieved, closer to 90, 99, 100%, I would say.
Going forward, are you looking to increase land space here? Are you looking to add in more brands?
For sure, particularly this center, down the line 2 years, 3 years, will go major change in terms of the number of square feet, by sheer square feet getting added. As I'm speaking, by another month or couple of months time, we'll be launching another 2.5 lakhs of Palladium Annex, which is in the other part of this center. So you have brands like, which, international standards of Uniqlo is all opening along with us.
Across India, is there plans to expand similar way?
Yes, of course. And, we have acquired properties in Coimbatore as well as in Chandigarh. So idea is that, and focus is that also, because that's the way organically we can grow.
Shashie, thank you so much for joining us and giving us a lowdown, of course, on festivities, the kind of decorations, and of course, expansion plans for Phoenix as well across India. Back to you guys.
Thank you so much, Manisha, for joining us with a snippet of how exactly retail trends are panning out as far as the festive season is concerned. Moving forward, a small programming note as we slip into a short break. As we prepare to ring in the festivities this Diwali, tune into CNBC-TV18 at 3 p.m. on the 29th of October to hear out the biggest of the market voices, giving their tips on how you can make your portfolio prosper this Diwali.